Okay guys, so I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to navigate yourself through Canvas. So you're going to have a bunch of pages that pop up for my class, we're doing Lacrosse Social Studies. You're going to click on that. I'm going to switch over to Student View real quickly so that you can see what it will look like on your screen. Okay, so when you first come to my home page, you're going to see a bunch of different buttons here. So starting off is my YouTube channel. All you'll need to click on that and it'll bring you directly there and have all of the different things that you'll need. So we're going to be using that for various reasons. I'll be posting lots of different teaching videos and things like that. So if you ever want to go back and look at something, you can go ahead and do that here. Next is right here, this current announcements. You just need to click on it. And it will bring you to all of your different announcements. Make sure you check this every single morning for each of your classes. We will be posting the information for that day. Right over here is some of my contact information, my email, my school phone number. I'm pretty good at answering those on a timely basis, but I do work from 8 to 4, so if I don't get a hold of you that night, I will get a hold of you in the next morning. So that's a little bit of my contact information. The next thing I just want to talk to you about is how important it is for you each day to go on to each of these, especially core classes, and all your encore classes as well, and check and see what work you have to do for each day. So for the schedule starting off, they're going to change a little bit, so make sure you keep track of that schedule. But for now, for social studies, you have work on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So you need to make sure that you check what you have to do each day for that class. So I'm going to skip down to the bottom. I'm going to go on August 17th through the 21st. That's this week. And then you will see your assignments posted for the week here. We had our orientation on Monday, and then here's an assignment on Tuesday, what you were supposed to do, all of the instructions, the to-do. We had our Core 1 live meeting, so that is placed right here in the recording box if you missed it, so you can go back and look at it. And then here's Wednesday's work. It has the instructions, what you need to do, all things like that. So you need to make sure that you check each day and make sure that you are doing the different work that you need to do for each class. So don't just check for my class. Make sure you're checking for all of your different classes. You can also go to these different buttons for Meet Your Teacher, and it will show you some various information as well, but you can look through that on your own. Make sure I'm on Student View for you. You'll also see the live teaching times right here. That'll tell you when your different classes will have those live teaching times. Grades, when you start putting grades in, you'll be able to click and find here. Getting started is going to have a lot of the information that is helpful for you. So what I would suggest is you put this information right here at a very important place, a place that you're going to be able to find it. It has all of your different login information that should help you out a lot. For my class, we're just going to be using Canvas, Nearpod, and then Microsoft Teams. So what I would suggest in Microsoft Teams as we start these meetings is that you would go ahead and you go to Microsoft Teams, click on it, and then you would sign in right here with your information right here. So that will help you out significantly. Also, you'll have all these various tutorial videos. Alright, and I also have a lot of various tutorial videos that can help you out, so those can be to your disposal. We'll talk more about that virtual notebook later, discuss some school opening guidelines and some other random information. So if you want to look through that, I definitely suggest doing that. My syllabus is posted here as well, but if you're ever having questions on how to do a lot of different things, I would suggest coming here, and especially go to Miss Bush's homepage, because I know she has lots of tutorial information that can help you out. So that's the basics of my page. Make sure you're checking each of your classes every single day, going down to the calendar for not just my class, but for Miss Lewis, Miss Hendren, Miss Bush, all your encore teachers, and check what work you need to do for each day. Our calendars are set up really easily for you guys. So if you ever catch any glitches or have any issues, please inbox us right here. It's the easiest way to get in contact with us, email or phone call. We can also set up a meeting if you have any questions. But hopefully that helps out. Make sure you use all of these different features that we have here. Contact us if you have questions, and I hope that was helpful.